Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY, to 10-day of the 25-day Brew Company Advent Calendar. Okay, so on day 10, day 9 yesterday obviously was Java Blend, which was my favourite so far, a medium dark. Today, we're stepping up another level. It's the Africa Blend, it's an intensity of 5 out of 5, and it's a medium dark. So this could be the nicest one yet, hopefully. This is from the Zambia Kachipapa region, obviously in Africa. So it's got caramel, dark chocolate, orange cherry, blackcurrant, raspberry and hazelnut taste notes. Flipping heck. It's from the heartlands of Zambia and Uganda. So let's get grinding, let's get brewing and give it a taste. Okay, here we go. Africa Blend, intensity 5, medium dark. Okay. That is nice. There's a lot going on though, yeah. And by the taste notes of caramel, dark chocolate, orange cherry, blackcurrant, raspberry, hazelnut. I'm tasting the chocolatiness, and there is like that tartness of raspberry yet. I can taste that. Maybe even orange. I don't know whether I'm just because I'm reading it, but there's a lot of taste going on in there, but it's nice. It doesn't take top spot of Java Blend though, but I think it's the second place. It takes over second place from Brazil. So we've got Java Blend, today's December the 10th Africa Blend, and one from last week, which was Brazil on December the 5th. So that is nice. I would drink that. It's like really smooth. Got the chocolate and a little bit of fruitiness after. Probably like a bit of orange I can actually taste now. It does say, dive into rich notes of caramel, smooth dark chocolate and bright fruit touches of orange cherry, blackcurrant and raspberry. A hint of roasted hazelnut complements this dark, medium dark blend. Showcasing Africa's timeless coffee experience. Each sip captures the essence and spirit of two nations, creating a memorable coffee experience. So yeah, I like it. It's nice. I'll enjoy this this French press, full French press of that. So we'll pour some more. We'll give it a taste. It's almost like a hot chocolate. It's weird. Not weird, a bad way, but weird in a good way. It's nice. I like that one. Very close version actually. Now I'm tasting it after. I'm sticking with Java Blend for now though. So yeah, that's Africa Blend, December the 10th, done and dusted now. So we move on tomorrow to December the 11th, obviously, which is Costa Rica, which is back to a medium roast intensity 3. So we're dropping back down with a bit more acidity in there. So we're probably going to drop back down from my favourite wise. But yeah, December the 10th, Africa Blend, really good. Links to the French, it might be French, I don't know, but the coffee grinder, the French press are below in the description on Amazon. Grab them if you like them, and I've done a separate video on these as well, just unboxing and first use. But I've used these, well, at least 10 times, but I've used them a bit more, so maybe 15 times. All great, all going great, all working fine. So links in the description as well below to the coffee brew, the Brew Company website, with discount codes off this advent calendar, but other coffees as well. So yeah, use the links and discount code below to get yourself a discount on the Brew Company website. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions about my grinder, French press, or the coffee, or me, drop them below in the comments section. I'll reply to any questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along on this advent calendar or our other Huson DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.